You have friends in London?
Yes, many friends.
Paolo love London men. Not London Bridge, London men. Paolo love London men. Not London Bridge. Because Paolo love like foreign.
Yeah.
You met Paolo, internet? Gawin ka ng Facebook mga kaibigan.
Yeah, I'll get your Facebook, huh?
You have Facebook?
Facebook?
No, Facebook. My wife.
Why Facebook?
Oh, yan. Kaya pa mag-unload ko sa'yo, ha?
Parang iyahanap ka ng kaibigan sa London.
Pero ate, nung alam mong nagkaroon siya ng sakit, nung pumunta siya rito, hindi ka nasiraan ng loob na parang, teka muna, parang maging pabigat pa sa akin to. Hindi mo ba naisip
Kasi
yung
nung nagkakilala kami, sinabi niya na sa akin yung totoong sitwasyon niya.
Oo.
Tapos nung pinakilala niya ako sa parents niya, lahat-lahat sinabi ng parents niya yung sakit niya.
Oo.
So, anytime, dapat daw ako yung pasayahin siya. Wag naman masyadong malungkot, wag masyadong masaya. Yung comfort tsaka peace of life, yung ganun lang. Yung walang walang gulo, ganun. I-avoid siya sa mga crowded, ganun.
You understand what your wife tell? You understand?
Some.
Oh, your wife tell, okay, you understand naman pala.
Understand naman pala eh.
So, paano nyo naman po pinapasaya? Sa paano paraan po?
Sa masaya siya pag yung lagi mo siyang attention mo, lahat yung most na attention sa kanya. Nagagalit siya pag yung busy ka, wala kang time sa kanya, ganun. Yung love and care talaga yung kailangan ng niya.
Pasyal mo naman.
Your wife attention is complete? Huh?
Complete.
Complete?
Yeah.
No credit card?
No credit card.
Very good. You know the Filipina, very, very lovable. That you
Loving.
loving. Very,
Caring.
very sweet.
Sweet.
Caring.
Caring. What else was it?
Caring. Caring.
Sharing. Like this. Share. Share.
No,
Share.
not sharing. Caring.
Sharing.
Caring. Yeah.
Caring. And
Understanding.
Loving and caring.
loving.
Understanding.
Understanding. And wise.
No?
Wise. Matalino.
Wise.
Wise.
Matalino.
Wise. Matalino.
Intelligent.
Intelligent.
Smart.
Smart.
What else?
Globe. Sun. Yeah, the sun is here.
Yes, the sun.
Two sun. Now you decide. Kayo na nga kasi.
Kaya nga yun namin magsalita kasi nahihirapan.
Magtanong kayo. Ako yung mahirap. Ako yung hindi nag-aaral eh.
Nahihilo na kami.
Ano ba yan? Parang
Kasi
isalita mo parang naghahang.
Bossing, ayaw magtanong. Alam naman hindi ako
You
nakatapos ng pag-aaral.
May delay eh.
Nasasalubsob eh.
Naghahang.
So before you
Alisin mo
go,
yung baterya.
so before you go to what do you do back there? Kailangan mabilis pag mabagal, nasasalubsob. Before you go here to the Philippines, what do you do back there?
I work in a bar.
I'm sorry. Wow. I'm sorry, kala mo natapakan.
Isa pa.
Come again? Come again? You out and then come again. You happy? Very much. Uy, napapasaya namin. Akin yung 200, uy.
Hihingi ng 200.
And now you know you're very loving couple. Ayan na, basahin niyo na.
Yeah, we have a surprise to you from Coca-Cola.
Goodbye, gang. Enter.
The Dragon.
Oh, we have... Oh, shrimp stroganoff.
What's that? Stroganoff.
Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper, pork,
Spare ribs.
spare rib, dry,
And
Rice. White rice.
white wine. And look at that, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, chocolate sweet fusion. What?
For your kids. And the delicious, the coolest, Coca-Cola.
yeah.
Coca-Cola.
And aside from Coca-Cola and the food, you have 10,000 pesos.
Look at that.
10,000 pieces.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And now, you, Paolo, you English.
It's a Thanksgiving of Coca-Cola to the Filipino family who opens happiness.
Yes.
in their homes.
So continue.
Just continue the happiness with Coca-Cola. Open Coca-Cola, open happiness.
Yes. Not only that, there's more.
There's more.
And we have a gift for you from Pure Gold.
We have baskets of groceries.
Yes.
Goodies for the children. We have
For snacks.
Yes, at the lot.
And 2 sacks of rice.
Wow, not only that. We have also for your wife a 5,000 from Pure Gold.
From Pure Gold.
Bossing, where's the nearest Pure Gold?
Well, the nearest, parang.
Yes.
The nearest Pure Gold is in Pure Gold Pasig.
Yes.
In Barangay Very Well. Barangay Very Well.
Barangay very well.
Yeah, Buting. Barangay Buting, Pasig. Okay?
Buting Pasig. Doon po yung
And
malapit
Pure Gold opening on January 18. That's Wednesday.
Oh, there's opening.
Yeah. Medyo malapit na to. Pure Gold La Trinidad Benguet. Oh, ano?
Oh, doon near.
Near.
La Trinidad Benguet.
La Trinidad
so
Benguet.
walking distance.
Hindi
Ka, ano, wala,
From
wala
here.
bang abala, ba?
No,
La Trinidad Benguet.
La Trinidad Benguet, you know that? The La Trinidad Benguet, where you go there.
Has he been to Baguio?
Baguio?
You been to Baguio?
Baguio City.
Di
How
raw,
about
bossing.
Little Baguio?
How about Little Baguio in San Juan?
Little Baguio in San Juan.
Di pa rin, bossing.
No.
Ha? Ay, wala. Hindi pa?
You go to Baguio, is cold there.
cold.
Benguet,
Like
really, really
London.
cold.
Wow.
There's more?
There's more, bossing.
Yeah, go.
Go.
Okay.
This is for the whole family. Here's our gift. Bear Brand Busog Lusog Family Cereal Drink.
Full.
Oh, this is Bear Brand Full and Healthy Family Cereal Milk Drink.
What?
Full and Healthy Busog Lusog.
Full.
Nakakalusog. At
Full and heavy.
nakakalusog.
The cereal drink for the whole
healthy.
family.
There's the Bear Brand.
Yes. There's more.
Kuya Bear.
Not only that, you have also 5,000 pieces
From Bear
Brand. Bear Brand Full
Healthy.
Healthy Family Cereal Drink.
What?
Lusog.
Right. Lusog. Okay.
First aid, please.
First aid. Red Cross.
Paramedics.
Paramedics.
Unique na yung dibdib ko dito.
And of course, here's more. You have Nokia Asha 303.
Oh!
There you go. It's like compatible
Like mine,
with
huh?
Bossing.
Yeah.
It's like the phone of both.
It has Angry Birds. It's so easy to connect to the internet. That's from Nokia in Itbulaga. Nokia connecting people.
Hello, Bossing. Thank you very much po. Naku, yung gatas po, libre na yung gatas ng anak ko. Nangilang ano yan.
Yeah,
Ang dami
sakto.
na po.
Ano, Brad? Nahihilo ka na?
What's happening?
Opo, boss.
Ano yung inaamoy mo?
Ammonia.
Ammonia?
Para ako himatayin. You know this? When we try to speak English, that will happen to me.
Yeah. Choke.
We faint.
Ano, meron pa?
Meron pa?
Oh yeah. So, what's your
Picture yun. Tingnan mo yung anak. Picture yun.
Sana. So what's your long-term plan?
Actually, yung yung mami niya, nagpaplana na
Bumisita
tutulungan
rito.
siya yung panggastos pa uwi niya. Tapos, pero kami dito muna, susunod na daw kami. Oh. So yung ginagawa ko dito, yung business na maliit na business, yun na lang pagpatuloy ko dito. Yung
Nakakaipop.
pagtitinda.
Bossing, help
No split na si
help
Jose.
me,
Kawawa
boss.
naman.
Bossing, help me. My hero.
No split ka na, Brad.
Look at that. Oh my God.
Did you bring the bossing savings? Oh, there's another nosebleed.
Si Paolo, hindi lang ilong, pati pisngi. Nakagat na yung labi.
It's so hard to English, you know?
Wait, ate. This one, bossing, savings.
Yeah.
I wanna die.
Wait, I have internal
You give her number
bleeding.
2.
I give you number
Give,
2.
Gina, number 2.
Gina, paborito kong apo.
Number 2, you open it, but don't show it.
Tell her to make boso.
Yes, you make boso.
You cheating.
But-
Silip.
Up! Up!
Up. Okay.
Thank you po, Busing.
Yan initial deposit lang yan. Gina,
Opo.
initial deposit lang yan, ha?
Opo. Thank you very much po.
Para kung meron kang immediate na pangangailangan,
Opo.
para kay mister, para sa mga anak mo,
Opo.
para sa iyong pamilya, meron kang mawi-withdraw. Okay?
Opo.
Pero
Thank you po.
sana lang, wag withdraw ng withdraw. Mas maganda kung madadagdagan mo kahit pa konti-unti. Ha?
Opo. Thank you po.
Okay. Importante ang pag-iipon dahil pag may isinuksok,
May idudukot.
may dudukot. Hindi, may madudukot.
Ayan ka na naman eh.
Can you translate that in English, Jose?
Bossing,
Teka, bakit
Pag may isinuksok,
boss,
pati mata mo?
you know, bossing said, this...
May kiss me ka pa.
I need... this...
Pati mata dugo. Ano yan? Baka sa ulo. Dugurin natin.
You teach Chris.
Okay, Chris, bossing gave initial deposit for your wife.
Yeah.
And there's a lot money inside there. Bossing also said